Alright everybody, this is Cobbs, and just got these bumpers in today. We'll be installing these bumpers. The axle goes down below right here. Put the new axle on, had to cut the frame a little bit and stuff to make it all fit. Had to have the axle, the mounting brackets moved a half inch on each end, but finally got the axle on it. And I'm going to show you what it looks like itself with the new axle, but this has to go on, and the new axle is down below, so if it hits a real hard bump, it'll hit this, it'll bounce it on the frame of the trailer. And boy, it's been really hot here, way over 100 degrees every day, and can't go out ride the mini bikes. I haven't made any mini bike videos yet, but I will. Sooner or later they'll open everything back up. Everything's closed down, can't go off-roading anywhere, can't really do anything out there that you want to do outside because of the fires and the restrictions. It's because they don't want any more fires started. So we're so dry, it could, like, any place could catch on fire down here. And we're gonna go put these on tomorrow. I'll make a little more video tomorrow and show the new axle and stuff in there. But that's about all I've been up to. I mean, there's so much like fire and stuff around. Getting there. Be working back on the inside of the trailer. This is like the trailer right here. You can see it on the computer screen. I don't know how he X this out. Yeah, that's a picture of the trailer. But I'll show you what the new axle looks like on it and stuff. Getting really close on the trailer, and go back and work on the inside and finish up the plumbing and stuff. But just been waiting for the weather to get under 100 degrees, but we shot back up. For the next few days we're going to be over 100, so by 8 o'clock in the morning a lot of times it's like 90 or 80 degrees, so it doesn't give much time in the morning. I mean, I can only work for about 3 hours anyhow because of my back and stuff, but it gets so hot that I don't want to work on the trailer. It's supposed to be a hobby, not a job, you know. But unbelievable how much stuff you got to do on a little trailer like this. Unbelievable. Just to have running water, little solar, not much, you know. Air conditioner, refrigerator, and a little shower, and unbelievable how much work it is. But we're getting close, getting real close. Go get it done, get on the road, go looking for Bigfoot, go looking for gold, go looking for diamonds, and I don't know, we'll get it done. Getting closer. Anyhow, thanks for watching today, and God bless. Until next time, this is Cobby out. Everybody take care. Talk to you later.